Welcome back to Blind Man Morris, and today we're taking a windscreen wiper off a Morris 1000.
Okay, so this is the windscreen wiper setup on a pre-October 63 Morris Minor. We'll go and have a look at the others in a minute, but this is probably the easiest one of the three. So this is a hook design. So if I turn it out, what you can literally do is pull it out like that, so it hooks on. So you put it in a 90-degree angle, you can hook it on and push it in, and then you've replaced it. It is as simple as that. No tools, nothing else. 2 seconds. Not quite as easy on the others. So we'll go over to the Series 2, the most difficult, and then we'll go over to the later Morris Minor, and you can see the difference between them. So this is pre-October 63. It's a hook design.
So here we are on the Series 2, and this is the early sort of peg type windscreen wiper blade. Basically what you've got to do with these is, if these have gone, you see this peg pushes through. It's like a coat hanger fitting through a slot. So you need to cut the old one off if you're replacing the blade. It's almost impossible to get them out without breaking them anyway. And then what I do is unbolt them from the Morris and take them into the house to do it. And then it's easier. And then what you do then is you preheat these up in hot water so they're nice and soft and malleable. A little bit of grease on the end, and then when you're in the house, is push them through and they connect, and you can fit them back on the car afterwards, making sure you get the sweep right. Now what we do is, when we change the pegs on these, is we order 4 instead of 2 when we're replacing the blades, because we always break. You see those little
Hello, cat.
nipple there,
Yeah.
which pushes through. They're very soft, and the cat's helping us again, and they tend to just snap off. We never ever get away with just getting 2 rubber pegs. We always buy 4, and we tend to break at least one of them, don't we?
We do, and this is the most difficult one. So out of the 3 types, this is the most difficult one. The pre-October 63 is the easiest with the hook design. So we'll go over now to the late Morris and see what that looks like. Okay, so here we are. These are the later Morris Minor windscreen wipers. It's like a bayonet fitting here. It looks like the hook ones, but they're not the same. And so this has got a little bayonet fitting. I tend to put a screwdriver alongside it to take these out. So I would say, out of the difficulty rating, that the pre-October 63, the easiest with the hook design, and then these are second easiest, and then the Series 2 are the most difficult. So obviously with a later one, the windscreen wipers go in the same direction when you buy them, therefore it doesn't matter which side they are. Whereas if you're getting earlier ones, they're going clap hands towards each other, and so that means that you need a left and right. So that's the thing to remember. Later, if they're going in the same direction, it doesn't matter whether you get a left and right, in fact they don't even sell them like that. Whereas an earlier one, you need a left and right in order that they fit correctly. And that's windscreen wipers, eh?
Windscreen wipers.
Yeah.
Exciting. Now it's on to the next job.